talk about how can you fix this problem on your Norton app, security app. So all you have to do, just click here on settings here, then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, so you just go down here, you keep going down, then you click here on apps, then you come to apps list here. In here can you search for Norton security app, or just add it here on search. So add here Norton security, then you click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. Click here on first stop, then you click here on OK. So then you go down, click here on storage here, then you come to storage list, just click here on clear cache. So then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, so you click here on your Play Store here, and here search for Norton security here. Then it's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.